Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let us quickly recall what we have seen yesterday. So as we have observed that applying a definition of a rank to find out its rank is difficult for higher order matrices. So we have alternative methods to find out rank. Okay. Am I
Sir,
audible?
the normal forms tabular data is not clear. It is like mixed.
Yeah, I too observed it. Okay, I'll stop sharing. Yeah. Is that fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to find out rank using definition was difficult for higher order matrices. So we have got two methods to find out rank, and out of which first one is row echelon form. You convert matrix to row echelon form, and then you count number of non-zero rows of that final echelon form, and that is nothing but rank. Okay. So and we have considered 2 3 examples, and I gave you one as a homework. I have also provided you a question bank for practice. Okay, you can practice at home, and in case of any doubt, you can revert back to me. Okay, on personal WhatsApp. Any doubt in that? So that we'll go ahead for normal form. Any doubt in row echelon form?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So the point to note is this second. Each leading entry of a row is in column to the right of the leading entry of row above it. Okay, this is point to note. Okay, and whenever you get zero row, you transfer it to the bottom of that matrix. A few things I forgot to mention yesterday. Please note this down that as far as possible, try to avoid fractions. Try to avoid fractions in calculation. Okay. So meaning hereby, if you have entry 5, okay, if you have entry 5 and below that you have 4, okay, in first row you have entry 5 and in second row you have entry 4, okay. Now you want to make that 4 as 0, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but that 5 is not helping you to make that 4 0. All right, so obviously most of you will do that. You will divide by 5 to first row, isn't it? isn't it?
Or we can do
Yes, sir.
R1 minus R2 and then
Huh.
again.
Okay, so instead of dividing by 5 to first row, what you do is you do the operation R1 minus R2, so that you will have 1 at some position, and using that entry 1 you can deal with other entries. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So note down, as far as possible, try to avoid fractions in calculation, because it will be time consuming and tedious job to convert that matrix to row echelon form. That was important point. All right, so let us go to second way to find rank, that is convert a matrix to its normal form. Okay, so I have mentioned definition of normal form here. In row echelon form, only row operations were allowed. You are not allowed to do any column operation in row echelon form. Whereas in normal form, you can perform row as well as column operations. Okay, so write down definition. By performing elementary row and column operation for non-zero matrix A, it can be reduced to one of the following form. Okay, so IR, then IR0. Note that this 0 is a block matrix 0. Okay, this 0 is block matrix 0. Then this IR, below it 0, block matrix 0. Then IR 0 0 0.
Sir, can
So can
Yeah,
you wait 1 minute for writing this?
yeah, sure. Normal form of a matrix, you perform row as well as column operation to get one of the following form. That is, sometimes you will get simply IR, then IR and this block matrix 0, then IR 0 at the bottom, and then IR 0 0 0. Okay, and in this case, this R is called as rank of that matrix. Don't worry, it will be more clear after example. What exactly I mean by these notations. Done? Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Sir, just a minute.
1 minute.
Okay.
So, what is IR? Can you explain once more?
Yes, IR is the identity matrix of size R. Okay, at diagonally you have 1 1 1,
Okay.
and then other entries are 0.
Okay, done. Understood.
Yeah. IR is identity matrix of size R. Just let me know once you finish. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine, thank you. All right, so let us go to the first example. Please mute yourself. I can
Sir,
hear.
hold it here.
Yeah. Is this example visible to everyone?
yes, sir.
All right.
Yes,
I'll read
sir.
out. I'll read out question. This question will come for 5 marks. Okay, such questions, I mean. So convert a matrix to its normal form and hence find out its rank. Okay. So matrix is, I'm reading row wise, 2 minus 4 3 1 0, then 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 2, 0 1 minus 1 3 1, 4 minus 7 4 minus 4 5. Okay, now don't write anything because you can take a screenshot of your screen, because it will be a wastage of time to write. All right, so just listen to me carefully what exactly we are doing. All right, can you go to the solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so our target is to bring identity matrix of certain size in picture. Okay, so in order to do that, can you tell me first operation? In identity matrix, your first entry is 1, isn't it? A11 entry is 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me your first operation? At
Swap
first,
it.
your first entry is 2. Okay, your first entry is 2. You need to make it 1. Okay, so don't divide by 2, because I can see this A21 entry is 1. So I'll simply interchange. So my first operation is R12, interchange first row and second row. So I'll get this matrix: 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 2, then 2 minus 4 3 1 0, 0 1 minus 1 3 1, 4 minus 7 4 minus 4 5. Any doubt in first step?
No, sir.
Okay, now in identity matrix, every entry below this 1 are 0. Okay, all entries below 1 are zeros. So can you tell me operations to make this entry 0?
Sir, R2 minus 2 R1.
R2 minus 2 R1. Okay, that will give you second entry 0. Then third is
R4
already
minus 4 R1.
R4 minus 4 R1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all right. So they have done this operation and they come up with this resulting matrix: 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 2, then 0 0 1 9 minus 4, then 0 1 minus 1 3 1, then 0 1 0 12 minus 3. Okay, is second step clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please understand the flow. First they have done row operation, okay, and then you can check that these operations are column operation, because in identity matrix the entries next to this one, okay, you can check this, they have made it 0, and to make this entry 0 they are using column operation effectively. Is that clear? So can you tell me what are the operations to make this minus 2 1 minus 4 2 0? Of course they are mentioned there. Can you read it out? C2 plus 2 times C1, that will give you this entry 0. Then C3 minus C1, that will give you this entry 0. Then C4 plus 4 times C1, that will give you this minus 4 as 0. And then C5 minus 2 times C1, that will give you this last entry 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, also
Yes.
we can do R2 plus R3 minus R4.
Oh, that will be tedious job. Don't bring such a complicated operation in picture. Okay, because you can easily see that minus 2 plus 2 times C1 will give you 0. Isn't
Sir,
it?
and adding of rows will again change that 0 which we have obtained in the previous step.
Yeah. Okay. So That
If we do R2 plus R3 minus R4, we get an entire row to be 0.
on which row you are talking about?
R2 plus R3 minus R4.
R2 plus R3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That one can do. But my target is to bring this entry 0, minus 2, 1, minus 4, 2. Whatever operation you are doing, you are bringing 0 row, isn't it?
Yes,
My
sir.
target, yeah, my target is to bring identity matrix in picture because we are reducing it to a normal form. Okay.
Got it.
So these operations are clear. C2 plus 2 times C1. So here you will get 0. Then C3 minus C1, you will get 0. Then C4 plus 4 times C1, you will get 0 here. And C5 minus 2 times C1, you will get 0 here. Fine. So can you see the resulting matrix here at the end?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So here 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then second row is 0, 0, 1, 9, minus 4. Then third row is 0, 1, minus 1, 3, 1. And last row is 0, 1, 0, 12, minus 3. Fine. Now, you want to bring A2 to entry as 1. Okay. Can you tell me operation? Because we are bringing identity matrix in picture, right? So this A2 to entry has to be 1.
We can bring the third row to the first to the second row and second to the third.
Okay. Interchange second and third row, that is one operation one can do. Any other choice?
C2 and C3.
Okay. Interchange C2 and C3, that is one choice. Good. Any other choice?
R2 and R4.
R2 and R4. See why I'm saying this? Because row operation or the elementary row or column operation does not alter the rank. Okay. So one can do interchange of second and third row. One can do interchange of C2 and C3. Okay. But at the end, you should get same rank. Okay. Operations are up to you. You don't have to follow whatever is given in book. Operations are up to you, but rank should not change. Is that fine? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever points I am saying in between, you should write. Okay. That elementary row or column transformation does not alter the rank. Okay. It is up to us what operations are to be done. So they have done interchanging of second row and third row. So here R2, 3. So what we are getting is 1, 4 zeros, then 0, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 9, minus 4, then 0, 1, 0, 12, and minus 3. Okay. So the entries below this 1 has to be 0. So can you tell me operation for that? This A2 to entry is 1, उसके नीचे वाले सभी 0 चाहिए.
Sir, R4 minus R2.
R4 minus R2. Okay, it is mentioned here. So let us do that. What you will get is 1, 4 zeros, then 0, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 9, minus 4, then 0, 0, 1, 9, minus 4. Okay. Now once you do row operation, you can check that they are doing column operation to make this minus 1, 3, 1 as 0. So can you tell me operation to make this minus 1, 3, 1, 0? Column operations I am talking about. Huh?
C2 plus C3.
Please say it in reverse way because you are doing on C3, no? So you should take C3
sorry.
first. So C3 plus C2, right?
Right.
Yeah. Then C4 minus 3 times C2 and C5 minus C2. These operations are clear to everyone? To make this minus 1, 3, 1, 0. Because we want identity matrix, no? So 1 के बाजू में जो कुछ है वो आपको 0 करना पड़ेगा, isn't it?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have a doubt. Means
Yes.
we have to always change this in normal form to identity matrix.
Yes, yes. Definition of normal form is identity matrix and others are 0. Other elements are 0. That's what we have mentioned, no? In previous slide.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So C3 plus C2, then C4 minus 3 times C2, then C5 minus C2. So what we will get is 1, all others entry are 0, then 0, 1, these entries are 0, then 0, 0, 1, 9 minus 4, then 0, 0, 1, 9 minus 4. So can you tell me next operation? Go to this A33 position, उसके नीचे वाले सभी 0 करो. Okay, so what is obvious operation?
R4
R4
minus
minus
R3.
R3. So you will get this last row 0. So you can see that 1, all other entries are 0, then 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 9 minus 4, and this last row is 0. So can you tell me last operation? ये 1 के बाजू में जो एंट्री है 9 and minus 4, that you will have to do 0, right? So what are operation? C4 minus 9 times C3. Okay, you are using this 1 to make this 9, 0. Then C5 plus 4 times C3, so that you will get 0 here. Is that operation clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So you have finally got this 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah. Yes, yes. What is your doubt? Yes.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. So you can check this final normal form. Okay. जहां पर identity matrix बनता है, there you will have to put block. Okay. So here you have separate identity matrix. So make a block over here, and all other entries are 0. Okay. So what is corresponding normal form? I3, because you can see identity matrix of size 3. Then this block matrix 0. Then this block matrix 0. Okay. And this block matrix 0. So what is rank? Rank is 3.
So what if the element A54 would have been non-zero?
A 3 5 4. No, there are 4 rows only. You are talking about A4 5.
Sorry, A5. Yes, sir, A4 5.
So can you tell me rank in that case? Smart answer.
Sir, 1.
Still 3.
Are you sure?
Sir,
Sorry,
it would be 1.
So no, it will be 4.
Right. Okay. See, what she is saying is, if this last entry is 1, if you do some row operation and column operation and you are getting this last entry 1, what I will do, I will interchange column. ठीक है. So ये जो 1 है यहाँ पर, ये it will come at this position, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I will interchange C4 and C5. So I'll get 1 here. So ultimately I will get identity matrix of size. Yes. Identity matrix of size 4. I4. Okay. So that is the identity matrix of size 4, and rest of the entries are 0. So in that case, rank will be 4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. So all the elements needn't be 1. All the non-zero elements.
Yeah, it can be 1 or 0. At the end, it can be 1 or 0. Because we are bringing identity matrix in picture, no? Diagonally, there should be 1, 1, 1, and all non-diagonal entries has to be 0. That is the fact.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt? You are free to ask, so that we can go to next example. Remember that first is row operation, then second column, then row, then column, then row, then column. Okay. Obviously, you can change that pattern, but doing row and column will be beneficial for us. Okay. Can you go to next example?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
have
sir.
you taken screenshot of this example for your reference?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
Yeah, thank you. So do you want to try, or shall I explain this?
Let's try, sir.
Okay. So write down this matrix. Question is, reduce this matrix to its normal form and hence find out its rank. Okay, and it's a 3 by 3 matrix, so you can do it very fast.
Sir, can you one minute show the previous slide?
Yes, sure. That visible?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Can I change it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down this. Rows are 1, 1, 1, then 2 minus 3, 4, then 3 minus 2, 3. Okay, it is very easy, I think. Please do it fast. And in case of any doubt, please ask me. Or should I explain?
No, sir.
Okay. So you will have to observe first entry and make it 1. It is already 1. So below that, everything should be 0. So your operations are R2 minus
Let us
2.
try at least.
Huh?
Let us try.
Okay, okay, fine. Once you finish, please let me know.
Sir,
Sir, I have a doubt.
sir, how can we remove -5 and 2 from the matrix without multiplying with this multiple fractions? Because in a matrix, when we multiply any k value, it multiplies with the whole value of matrix. That's why.
Yeah, no. So we are doing column operation. So you want to make that -5 1. So I will divide by -5 to second column, isn't it?
Yeah, but can we do that thing? Because in a matrix, we usually take the multiply any value by k. We take the whole matrix to multiplied by k. That's why.
I am not doing scalar multiplication to a matrix. I am doing scalar
Okay.
multiplication to rows or column.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Done then, sir.
Sir, instead of we keep all the ones on the diagonal starting from the upper left corner to the lower right corner.
Yeah.
Can't we keep it from upper right corner to lower left corner?
Upper right corner to lower left.
corner.
But that won't be identity matrix, isn't it?
Okay, that doesn't count as identity.
No. It is not identity matrix. See, identity matrix is first entry has to be 1. A11, A22, and A33. Diagonal has to be 1. Principal diagonal.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can we multiply a column or a row with -1?
Yeah, that you can always do. Non-zero multiplication is allowed. Please finish it fast.
Is the answer 3?
Yeah, answer is 3, but you need to get proper normal form. Huh?
Just
So
ion.
here,
Yes, sir.
Form is just ion.
Done.
yeah, I3, not IR.
Yes, sorry.
It should be I3. Okay. Everybody got it? I3?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
So yesterday somebody asked me, sir, can you give me example of a matrix whose rank is full rank, okay, or whose determinant is non-zero? Yesterday somebody asked me, no? Is he here? Anyway, so I'll come to that point. If you check determinant of this matrix, that will certainly come non-zero. Right? Because it has to be. Because rank is full rank is 3. That means there are no linearly dependent rows or column, right? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rank is full, rank is 3, and size of matrix is also 3. So there are no linearly dependent rows or column. Okay, that means if you find a determinant of that matrix, that will come as non-zero number. All right, fine. Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
sir.
All right,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, before going to the system, let us have one more example. Do you want me to take one more example on normal form?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, but a bigger matrix this time.
Let us go to the question bank in that case. Okay, otherwise I'll read out that matrix and then you can try. Okay, write down. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
I am reading rows. Okay, so first row is 3, 2, 5, 7, 12. 3, 2, 5, 7, 12. Done?
Yes, sir.
Second row is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And third row is 3, 3, 6, 9, 15. 1, 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last row is 3, 3, 6, 9, 1, 5. Okay. 3 by 5 matrix hai.
Okay, sir.
Try it for 5 minutes and then we'll go ahead.
Sir, can you please repeat the first row?
3, 2, 5, 7, 12.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Is it 2?
Right. Notice normal form, because normal form carries some weightage. Out of 5, it will carry 1 mark. Correct normal form.
Sir, but while solving, we get the equivalent form first. Then also we have to try and get the normal
Yeah,
form.
because question is reduce matrix to its corresponding normal form.
Okay.
Okay, so it has some weightage.
So the normal form is I2.
Complete I2.
So 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0.
Okay, so you have one block matrix I2. So you mean I2 0 0 0, right?
Yes.
Sir, I got I2, but the other 3 rows are not getting simplified because I got 10502, 0107 minus 3, and all the lower ones 0.
Wait, let me write it so that I.
I2,
So we
but
get
the
I2
rows
0.
are getting simplified.
Yes. I2 0 0 0 is the final answer and rank is 2. Okay. Somebody was.
The rank is 2, but I'm not able to simplify the last 3 rows.
Okay,
So
tell me. Tell me your last matrix, resulting matrix. What was that?
The 10502 first row. Second row is
हाँ
Second row is 0, 1,
हाँ
0, 7, minus 3.
-3. Okay.
And the third row is completely 0.
Okay. Fine. So note down operation.
Okay.
C3 minus 5 times C1
Okay.
and C5 minus 2 times C1.
Okay.
What will you get?
We will get 0, third as 0, 0, 0, fourth as 0, 7, 0, and fifth one is 0, minus 3, 0.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
your matrix is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 7 minus 3 and all other entries are 0. You got
Yes,
this
sir.
point now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now do operation C4 minus 7 times C2 and
7.
C5 plus 3 times C2.
Okay, done. Got it.
Okay. So you will get I2 and all other entries are 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
can you
you're
just repeat the final normal form just once more?
I2. Okay. उसके बाजू में 2/3 का 0 नल मैट्रिक्स उसके I2 के बाजू में एंड उसके नीचे 00 एंड 000.
Sir,
So
Yeah.
while writing, we can just write it in numbers of 1 and 0. No, we don't need to write I2 and then 0.
No, you will have
Because
to
how will
write.
we represent?
You will have to write that block matrix I2 0 0 0, and 0 stands for block matrix 0 that you will have to mention.
Okay, but how will we say 0 is 3 rows and columns of 0 for block matrix?
Because wherever you draw that I2, उसके बाजू वाला जो 0 है, that size you can decide, no?
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
can I tell my last step? Because I'm not
I2
getting after that.
I2 0
No,
0.
my last step, till which step I did.
हाँ, tell me.
1 0 0 3 5, the first row.
1.
0 0 3 5.
Okay.
Then second is 0 1 1 2 3.
0 1 1 2 3. Okay.
And the last row is full 0.
Okay. Now note down operation.
Yes, sir.
C4 minus 3 times C1. Okay.
Okay.
And C5 minus 5 times C1. What will you get after doing this operation? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir, I'm writing.
Sir, I am getting the same one, but again the first is different.
Sir, but in
Yes.
the second row, in the fourth column, second row,
Huh?
2 is remaining same, no?
Let it be. Let us come to the first row first of all. Let us
Okay.
make 1 and other entries are 0. Then we'll come to second row.
Yes, sir. Second row, mein only 2 3 is remaining. And
Okay.
1 1. Yes.
So what is your resulting matrix once you do C4 minus 3 C1 and C5 minus 5 C1?
1 0 0 0 0. 0 1 1 2 3.
Okay.
And then full 0 in the next row.
Okay. Now write down next operation. C3 minus C2. C4 minus 2 C2. And C5 minus 3 C2. Got it?
Yes, sir. C5 minus 3 C2. Okay, okay.
Sir, can you repeat the first step which he mentioned?
C4 minus 3 C1.
No, sir, not that step. The first row. Before applying this.
Okay, it was 1 0 0 3 5. You have got same?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then operation was C4 minus 3C1 and C5 minus 5C1.
Sir,
Ah.
but in the third row, third column, 0 is remaining.
All other entries are 0, no? Last row is complete 0, right?
Yes, I2. Yes.
Yeah. So we don't have to worry about this last row. So you have got I2 matrix.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
our only motto is to bring the matrix in the form IRN something, right?
Yeah, right.
The operation doesn't matter.
No, operation doesn't matter. But the thing is, first of all, row, then column, then row, then column
Yeah.
will be beneficial for us. Everybody got rank as 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you want
Sir,
one
they would
more?
have not mentioned Sir, they would have
Yes.
not mentioned normal form. We could have stopped at equivalent, right?
Yeah, right. Fine. So I think a few of you are struggling with operation. Let us take one more and then we'll go to the system of linear equation. Okay. Write down question. Convert a matrix to its normal form and hence find its rank. Okay. So can I read out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please mute yourself. Yeah. I am reading row wise. Size is 4 by 4. Okay. So first row is 3, 4, 1, 1. Second row is 2, 4, 3, 6. Third row is -1, -2, 6, 4. And last row is 1, -1, 2, -3.
Sir, can we
Repeat
just
second.
row operation?
Sorry?
So can we just apply the row operation, or is it compulsory to use both of them?
See, you will have to apply column operation to make the entries next to first entry become 0. Okay. Because
But
only
it is possible with row operation then.
Because that other zeros will get disturbed if you keep on applying row operations continuously. The zeros you have got will get disturbed. You can check that.
Yes, sir. I was facing the same problem last.
Yeah. So you will have to apply column operation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I'll read out this problem one more time. First row is 3, 4, 1, 1. Second row is 2, 4, 3, 6. Third row is -1, -2, 6, 4. And last row is 1, -1, 2, -3. Okay. Do you want me to repeat?
The second row only.
2, 4, 3, 6. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So it's 10:24. Please mention your roll number, name and roll number in chat box. Do not forget to mention if anyone has not done. What is your first operation, by the way?
Then change the row of means R4 and R1.
Right. Interchange first and last row. R1 interchange with R4 so that you will have 1 at first position.
Sir,
Yes,
I have done R1 minus R2, so
that's
that
fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's
minus
fine.
4 0 हो जाता है.
Yeah, it is up to you. It is up to you. It's not mandatory.
Or sir, we can interchange R3 and R1. So we can do R1 R R3 minus 2 R1.
Yeah, there are various choices. Choose simple one. It is up to you. But rank should be same. At the end, rank should be same. I'll stop sharing. Okay. We'll have system of linear equation next time. Before I forget, let me say something about tutorial. Okay. On Thursday, we have tutorial, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll have our first tutorial. There are 4 batch in charge, separate batch in charge for 4 batches, and I hope everybody know his or her batch. Okay, A1, A2, A3, A4. So for A1 batch, myself is batch in charge. So I'll create Google Classroom. I'll send you invite. You'll have to join that group. Okay, A1, where you can do your submissions.
Sir,
Google
A2?
A2, I'll mention. I'll ask that faculty to interact with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So on Thursday at 2:30, we'll have tutorial 1.
So like what will be in tutorial 1 like?
Whatever we will cover till Thursday 9:30 ka lecture.
So you will give us like questions to answer.
Right. You are supposed to solve it on piece of paper mentioning your name, roll number, and batch. And once you finish, you are supposed to upload it on Google Classroom. Okay.
Sir, it will be like a test.
It is an open book test. You can refer your notes. You can Google, you can refer your notes. You can ask your doubts to your batch in charge.
So we will get marks on the.
Yeah. You will get out of 5 marks for each tutorial.
Sir, can you tell the batching charges of various batches, A1, A2, A3, and A4?
A1 is with me. I think A2 is with Pratibha Shirsagar ma'am. And A3 is with Gaurav Soni sir. And A4 is with Amol sir.
Sir, so you can share the recording in YouTube till today, so we can revise all the things.
Yeah. Everything is shared. Just today's lecture left.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the answer of the question you gave us?
The answer is
No,
4.
you are going to tell me
The
answer.
answer should be 4.
Answer is
Yes.
4.
Just I4.
Yeah, I4. Good. All right. So I hope everybody has mentioned name and roll number in chat box.
Yes,
See you on
sir.
Thursday. Okay. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
conclude.
Sir.
Yeah.